Hey guys, my name is Rashid Roshan. Um, I live in Los Angeles County, and currently I'm at a field placement that's at an inpatient rehab center. Um, what I've been doing during my field placement is I co-facilitate groups. I do some intakes and along with some general interactions with the clients, and it's been great so far. I hope to get a better understanding of trauma out of this course. Um, I'm actually really looking forward to this one for a while. I think understanding and better comprehending trauma will help me tremendously in my field placement. We're a dual diagnosis clinic, so a lot of people are in there for substance abuse and mental health issues. So I really think that what I learned from this course is going to be directly applicable and relevant to my future career. Three ways I could probably do self care is I recently realized I love cooking, so I think the more I cook, the better off I am. Boxing, if I continue, I love boxing as well. So if I continue to have time for the gym, that's another productive way for my self care. And I think just having at least 1 or 2 days a month to just go out and hang out with friends, that'll be big for me. I live in LA County, so it's really you have to drive very far to get places, and um, with the horrible traffic. But I think that if I'm able to consistently see my friends or on a somewhat consistent basis, that's pretty helpful to me regarding my self care. So thank you for listening.